Okay, here's a look at the E-mini S&P for Tuesday, May the 10th, 2011. What we're looking at here, and what we like to use at E-mini Day Trader, are the market profiles. This is today's market profile and volume profile, is what occurred yesterday. So we were suggesting, and of course the one in the middle in between the two, this is the action that occurred in the non-regular trading hours. In between the two days, regular trading hours of Monday and Tuesday. So we were looking at the 39 area or the 42 as active support. It held for a bit, but then it dipped down overnight, hit our support right on the dot, and then moved higher. And we knew that if it could hold above the 45, 46 area, it would be a potential good up move. And you can see that it opened right there, and we did end up with a nice move today, rallying off of yesterday's low, rallying about 16, 18 points, something like that. So good up day, confirming what we thought would happen. Was one of those days that just kind of worked out beautifully in that sense. So good to see that this up auction has reconfirmed itself, if you will. Here's the market profiles from the regular trading hours only, and we also use them in our analysis. We did not have a lot of trades triggered today. We had a couple of long trades later in the day. You can see the lower one here did not get filled. We did have one short trade here, which we did not take. An aggressive trader could have taken it, but we were in our neutral filter. And we were also above that 46 area, 46, 47 area that I was mentioning yesterday as potential support / resistance in the market. Early in the day, hovered around there just very, very briefly, the first 20 minutes or so of the trading session, and then it moved higher. So we were certainly in the bullish mode because of that, moving from the consolidation that we've been experiencing, and we would not want to take a short trade in that kind of background. But what the market did do a little bit after that, it did give us a beautiful fill right here, right to the tick, and marched up right to the high of the day, 56.5. So a nice, I guess, 3.5 point move for us there. Worst case scenario was a 1.75 on the final partial, so would work out to a 4.75 point day. Unfortunately, we only got filled on the one trade, but it was a nicely profitable trade. Certainly our members were taking more trades than that based on our knowledge of the condition of the market and the expectation from that. But as far as our systematic trades with the 2 out of 3, we just had the one trade today and nicely profitable. So we are looking at the market to likely find some support in around the 51 area, if not at the 48 area. So we're looking around 51, and then it's 48 for good support, and then looking really for today's high could contain the market tomorrow. The next level up would be around 62. There's not big news tomorrow, just the crude and then the Treasury budget. So in the afternoon, it could do something to the market, certainly affect the bonds, which in turn could obviously affect the stock market. So good up move today, good support areas going into tomorrow. No reason to believe that this move we're undertaking right now has ended, and we're just going to keep monitoring that with the expectation of today's high around 56 or so as fairly good resistance, and then the next resistance up around 62. So that's really it for today. Thanks for watching the video. Any comments or questions are always welcome. You can send them over to info@eminidaytrader.com. So that'll be it for today. Thanks, and we'll see you again tomorrow.